Welcome back to Grandma's Alice's kitchen. Today I'm cooking mee siam for my family. Here are the ingredients: Taugeh, prawns, chili sauce, tomato ketchup, bean paste, onion for garnishing, chive, Beancurd, Taukua, egg, Beehoon, chili, First, let's fry our eggs for garnishing. I am using 3 eggs to fry. Look at those bubbles. Don't you feel like popping them? Take them out and chop them up into thin slices like this. Now we are frying the beancurd, or in Hokkien we say Taukua. Be careful, the water from the Taukua can cause the oil to split out of the pan. Now take them out using a sieve to remove excess oil. We don't want our Taukua to be too oily now. Here I am cutting the beehoon so that it can absorb and mix with all the ingredients better. Fry a cup of garlic in oil in preparation for the prawns. Now let's add those prawns. Now add in the bean paste or Taucu. Now for the secret ingredient sauces. I'm sure you guys have it lying around the house. It's Maggi tomato ketchup and Maggi chili sauce. Now add in the beancurd or Taukua and keep stirring to mix all that goodness together. We are almost done. Just add in your beehoon now. Let's add some more because I'm starving. Now add in the chives and keep stirring. Throw in a cup of beansprouts or Taugeh. Notice I didn't have to add sugar or salt because it's all in our magic secret sauces. Simple and delicious. You have to try this. Can you smell the wonderful aroma? I feel like jumping through the screen right now. Decorate it however you like, but I'm telling you, it will take less than 5 minutes to devour. Now my mee siam is ready to serve. Ho chia. Ho chia. Let me know in the comment if you tried my mee siam. Give a like if you enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. I usually cook my mee siam in big portions for family parties. It's a great and simple dish if you have a potluck to go to too. A little feedback from my family. They say it goes well with some white wine. Hey, don't look at me. I don't get drunk. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, go.
Forgot.
Okay, I tell you. Let me know in the comments
Let me know in the comment
if you like
my
my video
and
if you tried
if you try
my mee siam.
my mee siam. Give a. That's all. ขอลูกเอาเลยไป